Mr. Buttons. How you doing? Mr. Buttons, you look very happy. Yes, you do. Hi, Mr. Buttons. Isn't he a cutie? Mr. Buttons is visiting Dogs on the Farm and Cats 2's kitty room. And as you can see, we have fishies. It's our boarding facility if you want to stay inside, our kitty hotels. And we have our pond for lapping water if we want. And we have our tree house that kitties love to play in and hide in. And in our playroom we have our shelves up top so the kitties can go up, walk around, lay around. And our window to observe what's going on outside and look at all the birdies. It even has a little door at the bottom, a little cottage door. And our cottage litter box. And our resident cat, Mr. Buttons. Oh! We even have the sounds of the rainforest. Mr. Buttons is looking for some friends to play with. So I hope you'll come visit us at Dogs on the Farm and Cats 2.